Hello guys, welcome to the daily market analysis video. मेरा नाम है अपूर्व. I daily make educational content videos on financial markets. So in this trade, we're going to discuss about National Fertilizer and NFL. Okay. So if you guys want trade updates, more trades, and new trade ideas, if you want to watch the videos, on all the links and everything is given on my Telegram. Discussions are there and everything is there. So be the part of my telegram link is given in the description of this video. So हम लोगों ने डिस्कस क्या किया था लास्ट टाइम. LNT में we have booked profits 1:1 risk reward ratio. You guys can check. We entered around 2250 and 8% risk, 8% target is done. 1:1 is done. It is going for target number 2. Okay, LNT. Then you guys can see IGL में भी हमारा 8% का target done हो चुका है. ठीक है, I made the video on IGL. I updated just like Apollo Tyre, just like this was the 1 year PNL I showed shared with you guys. अगर आपको watch करना है, join the telegram right now, watch it. Okay, then symmetrical triangle trades and a lot more trades were discussed before that. Okay, so be the part of the telegram and you will get very good content. Okay, now let's start the video guys, and I'm aiming for 50 likes for this video and I hope you guys will do that. Thank you so much. Now let's start the video. So guys, as you all know, we have been trading NFL for quite a while now. Okay, around this area we traded NFL, if you guys remembered. Then around this area again we traded NFL. Okay, around this this was our profit booking zone, if you guys would have remembered. Then most of the people booked their profits on this hammer candle. Okay, then on the support zone, when it came to this particular area, okay, I thought that this is a sharp fall and this support zone might not keep up with the flow. So my thinking was that it can break. Okay, this was my thinking because the chemical stocks were going down like anything. So the national fertilizer right here, I thought that it will follow the same momentum, but nothing like that happened. It went up with narrow range candles. I thought narrow range candles means it cannot give a breakout on the higher side if it is going something like this. Okay, it's a shady movement. Okay, but rather very good volumes, very good movement on the higher side. Now what we can do is the bigger question. So if you guys make a pattern that is known as a rising wedge type pattern, right? When the market is moving on the higher side, nearing the resistance, it makes a kind of a rising wedge. Okay, well, if you guys observe, the rising wedge patterns are being made by the after only the bearish fall. But if you guys check, this is not a bearish fall. This is almost the same level. So it is actually, we can say it's a wave, not a fall. So if this type of pattern is being formed after the wave, then we can definitely consider, or we can start shorting or making our position from this area only in order to get this target and the further target for a lower low. But here you guys can see the stock was already in an uptrend on the daily time frame, right? So if the stock was already in an uptrend on the daily time frame and then it is making a rising wedge type pattern, then we cannot anticipate that it will fall for the bottom side only. Okay, so that's why this pattern is not that good. So we can just remove the line from here. Okay, now we can say the breakout happened, a retest happened on this particular support line, and then it gave a strong breakout with the volumes. Now the most important thing that is happening is on the monthly time frame here, guys. So the trade is of monthly time frame, not of daily time frame. So it's a long term trade, very long term trade. Okay, so you guys can see right here, this was the pattern made by the stock. Okay, this was the pattern made by the stock right here. And if you guys go with the thought process of uh, price action, then also you guys can say that there were multiple times it is hitting. Okay, it gave a breakout here with good volumes. Okay, but that was not sufficient because it was moving from this point. Now moving from this point giving a breakout is better, or moving from this point and giving a breakout is better, because now it can give a follow up momentum. From here there is a retracement if a retracement comes into the picture, then even if the whole moves is being curved, see what I'm trying to say is, if the breakout comes from this point, right? So still the price can retrace 50-60%, right? And that will be a good retracement. But if the price retraces back 50-60% because of some conditions, market conditions, then that breakout will be converted into a fake out, right? But if the market moves from this area, right, if the market moves from this area and gives a breakout, and after the breakout closing, if the stock comes back to a 50-60% retracement, it is still above the breakout levels, right? So it can continue its momentum. So that's a perfect breakout. So now it is at a perfect level from where the breakout is also considerable. So the targets for this particular trade will definitely be all-time highs, the overall all-time highs for this particular trade. Okay, the monthly time frame, 20% around will be the stop loss for this particular trade, and daily time frame it has given the breakout already. So I'm planning for a 40% momentum in this particular stock, a 40% gigantic momentum. Yes, you heard it right. That's what I'm trying to play in this particular stock. Also, current market price entry, if anybody is entering on their own analysis, on their own thinking or ideology, then I would definitely say that go with the positional sizing should be good, guys. Now if you're planning for x quantity overall, then go by x by 2 something quantity. Or if you guys have trouble finding what should be the position sizing or anything, let's have a discussion on my Telegram. Link is in the description. We'll see you there. And aiming for 50 likes. Target stop losses will be discussed there. I'll put a post about NFL, and you guys can post your ideas, your thinking there, and let's have a mind-blowing idea and strategy about NFL, because I think this is going to be a very good trade. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow in next video. So yeah, 50 likes aim, and Telegram, if you guys are new to this channel, follow my Telegram. We are aiming for 6,100 members. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.